Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Himselff and today I will show you 5 easy tips to stream to 0 viewers in 2022. Let's get started. So let's start out with the first tip, and that is commentate what you are doing in the game. So we've all been here. We're streaming and you see the 0 viewers and you're a little bit bummed out because of that. So what Twitch does not tell you is that there's actually a slight delay in the viewer count going up and the viewer actually being there. Which means that the viewer count says 0, but there could actually be someone watching you. So this is where the first tip comes in. Commentate what you are doing in the game. This will prevent you from being silent and people leaving. It's very easy to do and you can do it in every game. And I know that talking to yourself can be a little bit strange in the beginning, but you'll get used to it very quickly and you'll be a natural in no time. Just let me give you guys an example of what I mean by commentate what you are doing in the game. So let me show you how this looks. I play a fair bit of Overwatch, that's why I took Overwatch as an example right now. Okay, so let's just hit these guys in the head. Let's see if we can get these headshots off. What I want to do is I want to go across the corner right here to see if I can get these guys on the far side. I can't really reach these guys, so let's jump down and see if I can headshot these guys right here. Yep, a body shot also good, and maybe ult. Yep, okay, he's going over there. Nice. Come on, get some kills, get some kills. Oh my god, I put him in the corner right there. Oh, we still got someone. Nice. Okay, let's go. That's how it's done. Alright, let's start out with tip number 2. And that is, just play games that you genuinely like yourself. It is so important that you play games that you actually like, because people are gonna see it when you're not having fun at the game that you're playing. Also, playing a game that you're actually liking gives you a more natural way of streaming and gives you a smile on your face than to force yourself to play a game that you don't even like. So if later on viewers are gonna tell you that you have to play a game and you end up not liking it that much, don't be afraid to just tell them that you don't like it, because it's always better to play games that you genuinely like yourself. So let's go to tip number 3, which is to turn off the viewer count. This tip is so easy yet so powerful. A lot of small streamers tend to get a little bit of a low energy vibe when there are 0 viewers in the stream. But as I've told you in tip number 1, once you get to that 1 viewer, this viewer could already be gone because of the low levels of energy that there is in the stream. So this is why it is so important to keep your energy levels steady throughout the whole stream. You need to be on that high level energy the entire stream to capture the audience. That is why turning off the viewer count is such a powerful tool, because it will prevent you from checking the viewer count every time to see if you reach that 1 viewer mark, instead of just having fun in the game and just keeping those energy levels high. You will notice that you will have way more fun streaming and way more fun in the game, and that you will have chatters in no time. So right now we are in my streamer dashboard and I'm gonna show you how to turn off the viewer count. It is so easy. The only thing you gotta do is just hover over your viewers button right here and press it. When you press it, it goes away. When you press it again, it shows up again. That's everything. Alright, let's go to tip number 4, which is stream because you like streaming and not because you think you can earn a lot of money in a short period of time. I see a lot of small streamers beginning to stream because they think they're gonna be millionaires in the first year of streaming. This is not going to happen. You should stream because you love streaming, you love to entertain people. Let me give you in on a little secret of mine. I think I earned my first $100 like 10 months into streaming. And I was streaming steadily 3 times a week. Don't be discouraged by me saying this, because you can be successful on Twitch. Every year, there are hundreds of channels joining the partner program of Twitch. So you can be successful. But there's a lot of hard work in becoming successful, and it's not gonna be in your first year that you're gonna be a millionaire. It builds up slowly. But if you are consistent with your streams and having fun in the streams, it will come. So the 5th tip is a little bit different than the other tips, because this is actually when you reach your first 1 or 2 viewers and you want to have a little conversation with them, and that can be a little bit difficult. So the 5th tip is, before you start streaming, make yourself a topic list. So with a topic list, you have a list of conversation points so that there's never a silent moment in the stream. For example, a couple of topics can be, how was your day? What did you do this weekend? How was your Christmas? If you could be a Pokemon, which Pokemon would it be? You can ask them everything. Just write it down so that you never get stuck. Just be sure to ask open questions and not questions that can only be answered by yes or no. This will invoke a conversation in your stream and might entice the lurkers or other viewers that have been silent to join in on the conversation. And PS, stay away from political questions because you do not want to have a discussion about politics in your stream. Believe me. So I hope that with these 5 easy tips, you will be able to reach your first few viewers. If you've liked the video, please don't hesitate and press the subscribe button because it will help me out a lot. And feel free to join my Twitch stream at any time. I will have the link to my Twitch in my description, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!
Bing bang!